Bold defiance. Federal judge shuts down Trump's asylum restrictions. What it means for U.S. immigration law. By Melissa Quinn, politics reporter. Updated on July 2nd, 2025, 3:52 p.m. EDT CBS News. Federal judge's bold move puts the brakes on Trump's tough new asylum restrictions. In a significant ruling on Wednesday, a federal judge blocked a key aspect of President Trump's strategy to cut down access to the U.S. asylum system. This ruling presents a major obstacle to Trump's broader immigration crackdown. U.S. District Judge Randolph Moss sided with 13 asylum seekers and 3 immigrant advocacy groups who contested that Trump's executive order on his first day back in office was unlawful. This executive directive essentially aims to curb illegal immigration and has been a cornerstone of Trump's policies on immigration. Judge Moss argued that neither the Constitution nor the Immigration and Nationality Act grants the president the extensive powers claimed in the proclamation to restrict asylum access. Essentially, he emphasized that the power to manage asylum claims and enforce immigration decisions lies within the jurisdiction of Congress and the agencies it has authorized to uphold these laws. But here's where it gets controversial. Moss's ruling effectively states that Trump does not have the constitutional authority to create an alternative immigration system, which undermines existing federal regulations and laws determined by Congress. This perspective aligns with the view that critical legislative actions cannot simply be overridden by executive orders. In addition to challenging the unilateral limitations placed on asylum claims, Judge Moss also granted a decision that will now include all individuals affected by Trump's proclamation or its steps to limit asylum rights. And this is the part most people miss. The judge delayed the implementation of his ruling for 14 days to allow the Trump administration to appeal this decision. The judge has also postponed judgment on whether to include another group of individuals who have been affected by the new asylum groups and are no longer within the U.S. Legal Errant, a lawyer representing the plaintiffs from the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, described the ruling as a vital affirmation that these laws passed by Congress need to be respected by the president. This decision reaffirms the protection that the U.S. once guaranteed for those fleeing persecution. Since resuming his presidency, Trump has launched various initiatives targeted at controlling the migration influx into the U.S. His actions have led to a series of legal disputes, with Trump frequently invoking historical laws and rolling back protections established under previous administrations in order to enforce stricter immigration measures. But what do you think? Could this ruling set a precedent that might hold future presidents accountable to congressional laws on immigration? Let us know your perspective in the comments and join the conversation.